What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You supposed to tell them what we doing.
Welcome back, everybody. The rotates, maybe?
Yeah. Continuing on this roll cage. We gotta get it mounted to the frame.
What you in here drawing and doing?
I was just messing around while I was waiting on you to get out of bed. Trying to figure out how to mount this roll cage. I was thinking about that, but then thought about this. This would probably be lighter than those.
Does it matter if it's square?
I don't guess. Yeah, he didn't even send us nothing to connect it to the frame. What's the plan?
The same plan we've been having. We just keep talking about it. Put a helmet on and take off. BAM! Yeah. You plant your head before you leave.
I didn't record none of that, so they don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about how close it is. Them stupid seats and everything. We'll see. For one, we gotta build new seat brackets because of the seat rim and the roll cage right here. And then when I sit right in it, I'm kind of good right there.
You just got a slouch, man. You got a long body, a little legs.
Look, you gonna hit the roll cage with your big head. You can't be sitting up like that. Your body's too long.
Your head ain't gonna stick out.
That's because my body ain't as long. Your body long, your legs are short. You got dwarf legs.
What the hell?
With a helmet on, we just gonna have to put whatever little helmet seat things. We're gonna have to carve it out and fit it in right here. And when I get in the race, I can just plug my head in. Or it's straight, holding the helmet. I'm ready. Got to carve the floor out to make the seats work. It's so bumpy and humpy in there. It ain't. Golly.
Unless you can get you a racing seat that fits in there good.
So we about to cut this pipe right here.
Yeah, this is the main thing. You got time to smoke a cigarette. This is gonna be a full pack of cigarettes today.
Yeah, that's what I should have fired one up when I turned it on. It's going, ain't it? Yeah. Woo! Making it through there, baby. Making its way.
So much though.
3 months later. Yeah, I could have smoked a cigarette. I need to. I could. Look. Oh, rusty old metal there.
Oh, rusty. That's awful crusty.
And on Eddie.
We threw a hitch mount on here.
Now going on this 10. Yeah, I don't see you cutting that with a grinder that smooth. That baby's smooth right
It's smooth, smooth. You got a plan?
I got a plan of cutting this hole bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah.
How much bigger you need it?
It's hack time. update time! Okay, we welded on the roll cage and y'all missed it because we was in it.
We was in it to wet it. We just been working. We got it dropped down here. Got me some bird turds on there. You got some over there. We're gonna try to hit these up. Get the top welded and push it back into place.
That looks pretty good. I like welding on top. Really had to get a daggone plexiglass windshield.
Yeah. What was you doing?
Move this, because it's got to go down.
All by yourself?
Yeah, one-handed.
All by myself. Alright. This is how far we got. We've been working all day. This looks the same.
It does. But we have done some work.
We got all these booger welded up all the way around. We got
the front.
Yeah, we got the fronts.
That's last.
Let me point at what I'm pointing at with the camera. Yeah, we got those. We're gonna hit those up last. But we got these two fully welded. And we got some feet welded on this. I don't know if y'all be able to see it, but there's one. It's tack welded on there. And then we done a bar up there. Right there. That's tack welded on. And now we're gonna drop the cage down and weld all the way around those feet. The feets. Is that what you want to call them?
The feet. Yeah, and then we're going to screw it back.
Then we jack it back up.
Jack it back up.
For the 10,000th time.
Weld it to the frame. That's where it's at.
People update time.
People update. It's Ed down there. Look at him. He's balled up. He's in there. He's in there welding it up.
I'm trying to get it.
Yeah,
I got a turd on there.
You got a turd on there.
I don't know if I hit anything.
You did something back there, so you got it glowing. Are you welding?
Here in a minute, I'm looking for the wire brush.
Good. There.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, right here. Pretty much weld it all the way around. We dropped that down to the ground. Welded that pipe on first, so it's good and welded. And then we actually got all the way around the pipe real good on this side. And then back here, this one, these turned out pretty nice. Just got an L out of a thick piece of metal. Welded it in there with the pipe on it. But on the inside, we got all that welded too. So it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere but fast. Well, if that ain't a slug on that thing.
Yeah. Got some slugs on her.
That's a fat caterpillar on there. Here, show the people why you over there. So I can only show them from this distance.
I can't get up in the crack. There it is, people. Here's them bird turds I'm putting on it.
The bird turd. The bird is the bird.
I'm gonna put y'all deep in the back. Maybe y'all can see what's going on back here.
Oh, Lord, don't show them that.
Did I get it? Can y'all see it?
No! Everybody say no together.
I can't even tell if y'all looking at it.
Yeah, they probably can't see if they looking at it. You got them jammed up in there. Tighten my. Oh, calm down. You're gonna work until I tell you to. What the hell you doing over here? I gotta tighten my hat up here. Oh, baby. I got that. What's that?
That's a booger you left.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
I thought it was a bug or something. That's it, ain't
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
Now, unless you think you can hit this side.
You want me to come and see?
Yeah, you might. Look like you got that one pretty good. Get it?
Yeah, you can't feel with the glove on.
You want a mirror?
Huh?
You want a mirror? Don't touch it with your hands.
Ow! Yeah. Yeah, we got it good.
Yeah, got your finger good.
Yeah, it's all the way around. Where these fronts
Yeah.
and the roll cage be done in the truck.
Well, we got door
Except for
bars
door
and
bars.
them back bars.
Well, the roll cage be done on what we was doing today.
Yeah.
Does that sound better?
Yeah. It's connected.
Put together by Ed's garage. And two idiots. Yeah, that burned the hell out of me. I don't know why somebody would grab a big worm that they just welded. I mean, it wasn't a sack.
Lie. Don't touch it with your hands.
Ow! Yeah. Yeah, we got it good. But I had to feel and make sure.
And I even told you, you don't want to touch it.
Well, maybe it was hot and I was trying to feel it.
I don't know what, I guess. You want to make sure it's hot?
Well, no, I was maybe. Damn, look at my tack. That's brand new.
Yeah.
4 years ago.
We might all cover that up. Want me to wait? I'm over here.
Yeah, you might have made it.
Now unless you crawling over here.
Nah, let's go put this blanket up.
Alright, we'll turn the people off. We're gonna continue to work to give y'all an update in a minute.
This is just an update day.
Yeah, it's too congested in here to try to work and film. We got that cut out.
S10's getting overtime.
How many cigarettes you smoke?
Not even a pack.
Not even a pack. Been 2 days on busy. That's good.
I got more than 5 left. So, less than 15.
More than a half.
I
3/4 pack day. Is the dash bar crooked?
Cool, you think it's crooked?
Nah.
It is. Looks like it's going up on the driver's side.
Yeah,
I'm standing here.
just a little bit.
That's alright.
The dash covered.
Yeah. You ain't gonna see it. I did a good job for not knowing what the hell we was doing.
Yeah. Alright, everything's back up, put up in this garage. So we could take it all back out next time.
How about that, people?
You love that, don't you?
Yeah, we did good. It's coming together.
You like it?
Yeah,
Is it crooked?
Next year.
Looks
might-
like
Might do something.
Looks like it's closer to this side there.
What?
You think?
Hell no, man. You gonna get over there all that. That thing's good.
Look at the windshield.
That's alright.
To that side.
That's alright.
We're gonna bend it back.
That's good, man.
That's the wheel test.
Yeah, that's right. We got 2 more bars to do in there to the floor.
4 more. Yeah. 2 to the floor and door bars.
Take the window out and put these 2. And then start putting the interior back in after we do the floor.
Patching the holes.
Patching floors.
Yeah. So next time I don't know how far we're gonna get. We'll do something. Some more roll cage.
It don't look like we got far today, but we did.
I feel like it.
Yeah.
I feel like I've done a lot.
I didn't go play in the dirt anywhere.
Nah, you got a big glob of grease on your
Yeah,
nose.
it wasn't just fun. It's work. It's work face. Work shirt, work face. Look at
It's coming together. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See you.
it. Gotta like and subscribe. Tell your people to watch us.
Yeah,
Man, spread the word.
hit the thumbs up.
Out of 153 people, we got 5 people that like it.
We doing it. We doing the thing, bro.